Hi friends, in this video I will explain key and explanations for Forensic Laboratories Scientific Assistant Chemistry exam questions. This exam was held on 6th December 2020. So this is the question paper. In this 120 questions are given. Each question carries 1 mark and no negative marking. Exam duration 2 hours. Now see the first question. The major product Z in the following sequence of reactions is. So this is the reactant bromocyclohexane treated with lithium in presence of dry ether and CuI, cuprous iodide, gives X. It is treated with ethyl bromide. We can get Y. It is treated with bromine in presence of 1 mole. In presence of sunlight, this is 1 mole. Then we can get Z. Now we should identify Z. So these are the options. This sequence of reactions is related to Corey-House reaction. Corey-House reaction means alkyl halides treated with lithium in presence of dry ether. We can get alkyl lithium. That alkyl lithium is treated with CuI. Then we can get lithium dialkyl copper. That lithium dialkyl copper reacts with suitable alkyl bromide. Then we can get alkane and also alkyl lithium compound. Here alkyl group is cyclohexane. So bromocyclohexane reacts with lithium in presence of dry ether. We can get cyclohexyl lithium plus LiBr. This compound 2 moles reacts with CuI, cuprous iodide. Then we can get this one lithium dicyclohexyl copper plus Li. Now this compound reacts with ethyl bromide because in the question it is given ethyl bromide. Then we can get this one ethyl cyclohexane. This is compound Y. This is compound X. This Y. See this? Treated with 1 mole of bromine in presence of sunlight. Then we can get bromine substitution. This is the product. This is Z. So what is the suitable option? Option C is the answer for this. Next. What is the major elimination product of the following reaction? So this is the reactant. It is treated with methyl alcohol and heating. Then first this bromine is eliminated. Br minus is eliminated. We can get positive charge on the carbon atom. So carbocation formation takes place. Now in this case, from this position to this position, hydride shift take place. H minus is shifted from this carbon to this carbon. Then positive charge is shifted to this position. That means we can get this one. Because it is tertiary carbocation, this carbon atom attached to 3 other carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. So this is a tertiary carbocation. This carbocation is more stable. This carbocation, this one, more stable than this one. So this type of hydride shift takes place. From the adjacent carbon atom, these bonding electrons are shifted to this. Hydrogen is removed in the form of H+. Finally, we can get this one. So what is the answer? Option D is the suitable answer. Next. Isopropyl acetylene. Next question. Isopropyl acetylene on reaction with NaNH2 followed by reaction with iodomethane gives a compound P. This P on hydration in the presence of 1% HgSO4 catalyst in acid medium gives a stable compound Q. The IUPAC name of the compound formed when Q is subjected to reduction with NaBH4. Okay, propyl acetylene structure, that is this one, CH3CH CH3 C triple bond CH treated with sodamide NaNH2. Then this acetylic hydrogen is substituted by, replaced by sodium, then we can get this one. This compound treated with methyl idomethane CH3I, then sodium is replaced by CH3, alkyl group is substituted. This compound is P. This compound P on hydration in presence of 1% HgSO4 and acidic medium. So dilute H2SO4 and 1% HgSO4, then we can get this one. So enol, double bond OH, both are present in the same compound. This enol undergoes tautomerism, then we can get this compound. Actually, in the formation of this product, one other compound is also formed between this compound and other product. This is the stable one. This compound is the stable one. We should consider this one. This is compound Q. It undergoes reduction with NaBH4. Then we can get this one. Ketone reduced to secondary alcohol. What is the UPSC name? 4-methyl-2-pentanol. So what is the option? Option A is the answer. Next. Identify the product B in the following sequence of reactions. Naphthalene treated with Cl, C double bond O, C double bond O, Cl in presence of anhydrous Al, Cl3. Then compound A is obtained. This A on treatment with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl gives B. This B compound we should identify. So very simple answer. Naphthalene reagent anhydrous AlCl3 means this is nothing but Friedel-Crafts acylation. So C double bond O, C double bond O group is substituted in this way like this. From this hydrogen combines with chlorine, from this hydrogen combines with chlorine and removed in the form of HCl. So this is compound A. This compound is treated with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. Then it undergoes Clemmensen reduction. This reagent is nothing but Clemmensen reduction. Then carbonyl group is converted to CH2. Okay. So what is the option? Option B is the answer for this question. Next. The major product formed when salicylic acid is subjected to nitration reaction. So in this, our answer is there. We should identify answer. See the reaction. Salicylic acid is nothing but orthohydroxybenzoic acid. OH position is at ortho position. OH group is at ortho position to COOH, that is called salicylic acid. Nitration mixture, concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, then we can get electrophile NO2 group substitution. So COOH is the dominating group between these two. So incoming electrophile is substituted at meta position. So this is the product. So what is the option? Option C is the answer. Okay friends. So these are the questions given in forensic laboratory scientific assistant related to chemistry subject. Andhra Pradesh government conducted this exam 6th December 2020 for this key and explanations. Remaining questions we will see in the next part.